Hello my crochet friends, this is Lady Jenna and welcome back to my channel. Today I went to Dollarama and look what I found. Crochet hooks. It's 12 crochet hooks. It ranges for 2mm to 10mm crochet and only $3. That's approximately 25 cents each, which is very cheap. But are they any good? We'll need to find out. Now these look like they're made of plastic. If we look on the back side, it does say we do get a 2mm, 2.5, 3, 3.5, 4, 4.5, 5, 5.5, 6, 6.5, 8, and 10. These are the most used. Are these worth buying for $3? We're going to open it up and we're going to see. To be able to test these, we need to know what makes a good crochet hook. The smoothness of the finish makes a difference, because if you have little snags on your crochet hook, then you'll have some issues with the project because it will snag on your yarn or snag on your thread and you're going to have issues. So this is a crochet hook. It's very smooth. Even the tip here is rounded off. There's no sharp edges. You have to make sure. So this is a good quality crochet hook. If we look at these hooks, I don't know if you can see this, but the point, there's a point here. It's not rounded. There's a little snag. It's very faint, but there is snag. It is smooth, but there is a snag right here. Let's try a different one. How about this one? No, that one has a snag right here, and I also see a snag here. Okay, let's continue. How about this one? This is a bigger one. The bigger one also has a little snag right there. So those are not. How about the big one? So this is the 10mm. And yes, there's also, I don't know if you can see, there's also this little tiny, oh, I just lifted it. See, that is no good. That will give you a headache when you crochet. Okay, so that's not looking good. Secondly, we need to look at even sizes. Sometimes it's hard to verify. You can use one of these. This is a 3mm crochet hook. If you try it, it is 3mm. So let's find our 3mm. That's 2, 2.5, 3. This is the one here. So let's do the same test. 3, and it's about the same thing. Looks like the size is constant. This one is 10. I do have a 10 right here. Let's try it. Yeah, that's a little bit too far for a 10. This is more like a 9 or an 8. I would say more like an 8. And how about this one? This one is an 8. No, it should be more like here. So this is not an 8. This would be more of a 7. Yeah, this is a 7. This is not an 8. How about this one? It says 6. No way this is a 6. It would be more like a 5.5. Okay, so this, I don't believe that the sizing is good on these. I could be mistaken, but normally when I use this, the sizing, it gives me a good sizing. But if you'd like something like this, I believe I purchased this either on Amazon or on Temu. I cannot remember. I've not ordered on Temu for a very long time now. I stopped ordering there, just to let you know. And what else? How comfortable the grip is. This one is very comfortable. There's a little cushiony, and I really like, I hold it this way like a pencil. Some hold it like a knife, but either way, this one is actually pretty good. This one, I would not mind. I don't mind the hold or the comfort of this. I would be able to crochet with these. That is not a problem. So for comfort, I would give it about a 7 for comfort. This would be, I would say, a 8.5. That's the difference between the two. Also, the sturdiness of the material. This is aluminum, and it doesn't bend. The handle doesn't bend. This doesn't bend. And if I try this, there's too much of a, it bends a little bit, but not that much. I'll show you a very bad bend. This is the crochet hook that I got from a crochet kit. I've tried using this, and I tend to break these. If you try too hard, it's too bendable, see? And it's even started to be all crooked. So this is no good. It's something like this you want. However, if you take, this is a 3, so let's take our 3, and if we bend it, there's a little bendability. Oh no, it bends too much. See, now it's crooked. I broke it. I broke it. Oh my gosh. Okay. These I wouldn't be able to bend because these are stronger. These are, even the plastic, it's a little bit more full. But the crochet hooks that you normally use the most are the 3 and the 3.5. This is a 3.5, and yes, like, oh no, I broke it again. Now this crochet hook I got from a kit that I purchased from Dollarama. I've been crocheting with this, however, it does bend. But you still can crochet with this. Like, if you don't do this with your hooks, you still can crochet. But because of the snag, I doubt it. I doubt it. I guess the next best thing would be for me to take some yarn and to test it out and to tell you if I liked it or not. So let me just grab some yarn and I'll be back. So recently I've crocheted a lion, and this was the yarn. I have all of this left, and that's a lot of yarn, but let's test. So this is bended. Let me just try to use one that is not bended. So this is a 2. I can use a 2 on this. So chain. Okay, not too bad. Oops, it just snagged. Let's try double crochet. No. Let's see. No, there's something right here. It hits my finger and it's so uncomfortable. And then this little pointy thing here, I really don't like. No, it's snaggy. Let's try another one. How about this big 6.5? It's a little bit big for the yarn, but I will still try it. One, 2. Okay. This one I don't feel any snag. This one is actually smooth. Oop. Yeah, this is my yarn because my yarn is too small. It's not the crochet's fault. No, this one actually works good. No, that one is actually working pretty good. This one is a keeper. The only thing, I don't think the size is good on this. Let's test. This is a 6.5. And if I try, no, it's not a 6.5. I would say it's a 5.5. I would give 5.5. Not because this is too far. That's my test. I did do just a little bit of a testing, but it's the way that it feels in your hands. It's the way that it glides in the yarn, and some of them I could feel the snags, especially for these little ones. But for the big one, it looks okay. It feels okay, but it's the sizing that I don't like. Let's talk about the pros and cons of these. The pros are it's cheap. It's 25 cents a crochet. It has the great range of sizes. It is lightweight, and it could be good for backup. So the cons, the size, you cannot rely on the size that it's marked here. You would have to bring with you one of these. And when you crochet, if you crochet amigurumi, amigurumi is crochet tight, and most of the time this will happen to them. They will get all bendy. Of these crochet, you get little snags. And for me, it's not workable. Final verdict, for $3, it is not worth buying. Save your money. I have purchased other crochet hooks from Dollarama before. They were way better than this. This is a plastic, cheap, not well made, not well sized. The company this was knitted. So I don't know, this was made for Dollarama and they did not make a good job. Let me know if you've tried these, if you purchased this from Dollarama. If you have not, please save your money. Buy yourself a little bit more expensive crochet hook. Dollarama does carry other crochet hooks that are better than this. I hope this was helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and have yourself a great day.